Hello student, Namaste Sarnalai. Since snake lies in class reptiles, so snake is very important topic for your examination. It may asked in any exam like NEET or in any government exam. So today in this video I am going to clarify all the snake and its example. I will provide you a short trick so that you can remember all the types of snake and its example. So let's begin into the topic. Generally, we used to study three types of snake. That is, one is myotoxic snake, next is hemotoxic snake, and another is neurotoxic snake. Myotoxic snake is the snake which produce myotoxin as venom, and hemotoxic snake is snake which produce hemotoxin as venom, and neurotoxic is very much famous which produce neurotoxin as venom, neurotoxic as venom. So we have these three types of snake. So now let's move into the trick through which you can remember all the types of snake in this example. So the trick is see my heavy neck. See my heavy neck. And in this trick, see my heavy neck, SEAC M H V N C and K. So in the trick we have see my heavy neck. C means first we have myotoxic, M for myotoxic snake, and C means example is C snake. After that we have V, H for hemotoxic snake, means produce hemotoxic as venom. So the example is from V. So vipers, all the vipers lies in hemotoxic. All the vipers lies in hemotoxicness. And after that we have neck. So N for neurotoxic snake, and C for cobra, and again C for coral reef snake, and K for karait. Cobra, coral reef snake, and karait. NECK. C here C get used for in double, cobra and coral reef snake and karait. So hemotoxic, myotoxic, hemotoxic, neurotoxic, and its example. So this much for today. Thank you for the class.